So Decentraland Mana just had a flash crash. Why did this happen? Is this Decentraland's fault? And what's gonna happen here in the future? We're gonna check out in this video. I'm gonna try and explain to you guys what actually happened here. So I highly recommend you guys to watch the entire video to understand what just happened here. And of course, if you do enjoy this video, means so much to me. If you can like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's go and check it out. So here we are on trade view. This is what just happened here to Mana. Basically, if we do measure this pullback, we did go down by 55%, but if we measure it from right over here, basically it's a little bit lower, but it's still 48%. So there you go. This is how big the crash actually was. But as you can see, we reached 2.15, but people did buy the dip. Now we're at 3.13. So there you go. If we measure this increase, how much did people buy the dip? Basically 48%. So a lot of people did buy the dip here. So what's the biggest reason? Why did we go down? Like, what's gonna happen here? Is it the fault of Decentraland? No, this is not the fault of Decentraland, because it's not only Mana that's going down, but the whole crypto market is going down. So seeing this is really kind of sad, but still gives us a lot of hope, because a lot of people, they just buy the dip for all these coins here. So let's just check it out here. If you go here to Bitcoin, it all happened because of Bitcoin. As you can see here, Bitcoin did crash. How much? Well, if we do measure this, basically by 26%. So it's a huge number here. But of course, even here for Bitcoin, people did buy the dip. If we do measure it, people bought about 10%. I think it was all the way here to 13. Now we're having a little bit of a pullback here. We're just shaking out all of the paper hands, and then it should be able to start to go up again. But I'm gonna talk about this. What just happened here? Every single coin is going down. Like, there's no exception here, and the whole market is just crashing. So what is happening and what's gonna happen here? Basically, we still make that bullish cross. So this is the funnel we were here before, but as you see, we did break to the downside of this funnel, and we got a massive rejection here. Now, is it the end? Are we still in the bull market, or are we entering the bearish market? So for now, we don't know clearly what's happening, but I still believe that we should be in the bull market, because a lot of people did buy the dip here for every single coin. So what's been happening? Why did Bitcoin crash? We have a couple of big reasons here. So one of those biggest reasons is basically we have an article here. It's talking about Bitcoin plunges over 20% in another sign of global market nerves. So what are they talking about? Basically, markets have also been jittery with all the uncertainty around the new virus variant. So with cases now appearing in many countries, it's hard to say what that means for economies and markets, and hence the uncertainty. So basically, because of the new virus variant, people are just uncertain what's going to happen to the economy. So this is why people are just afraid to invest into anything and want to cash out and hope this have money for themselves, because maybe hard times are coming. Maybe we're going to see some new lockdowns because everything that's happening. So uncertainty. One is uncertainty, the other one is regulations. So we have a ton of regulations here. So it says here, crypto crash, 570 billion wiped off market cap after major sell-off or regulation fears. So people are fearing the new regulations that are happening here to crypto, again bringing even more uncertainty of what's going to happen in the future. So these two reasons, plus a lot of liquidated moves. So basically, a really good thing here that happened is that because we just had this kind of a big crash here, that means the chances of us crashing even more are getting lower and lower. So there you go. So if you look at our side is super oversold. I'm going to show you something here, and that is, I do like to follow Crypto Russ for Bitcoin here, because he is pretty bullish for Bitcoin, but he really gives us all the news, all what's happening. I'm not seeing any videos right now, not only from him, but from anybody. I've been seeing some live streams talking about everything. The thing is, I think people are gathering information, trying to understand what is happening. Of course, there's maybe even more factors. I'm waiting for his video to understand even more. Of course, guys, I'm doing my own research, and so should you. That's the whole point here. We all have to do our own research to find out what's been happening here. But look at this. El Salvador, the president here, bought the dip. So he bought the Bitcoin dip. He actually bought for 48,000. So he said here, I think that he almost He didn't get it. Yeah, it says missed the effing bottom by 7 minutes. He didn't get the bottom. There you go. But still, for 48,000, and when the price was basically at 50 something, 53 I think at the time, he got it for pretty cheap. But of course, it's even lower right now. So civilization, as you can see, even here for Bitcoin just didn't go slowly down like normally it should, like slowly going down. It crashed, literally just crashed. Every single coin here did crash, and that's the biggest thing. If something like this did happen, that basically means it's not organic. So something happened, it's not organic. People are talking about longs being liquidated here, and just because that, this is what happened in the end. So people are right now afraid. People are afraid to see what's going to happen. There are a couple of possibilities. So Bitcoin cannot go below 42,000. If we do, then we are going to continue to go down. So how much can we go down? Basically a lot more. So if we do go down below the 42 area, then we will be able to even reach, if we do measure it, all the way down to here to 29. But for now, as you can see, we are still stabilizing in this area between 48,000 and 46,000. So as you can see, as I'm talking right now, let's actually go here to the 1 hour chart. But as I'm talking right now, it is going down here. But why is it going down? It's still having like a pullback. Like I said at the start of the video, Bitcoin is just trying to shake out all of the paper hands right now. So as you can see, people are selling, but still we are pretty much okay. I still think that the level here is 46. If we do go below 46, then yes, we're gonna go down even more. But as you can see, people again buying the dip here. If you go to the 15-minute chart, let's go. People again buying, selling the dip. So for now, uncertainty what's going to happen here. We're going to need more info. We're going to need more videos, more Twitter posts about what's been happening here. Everything is still pretty much fuddy. Yeah, fuddy, because we still don't have enough information what's been happening. So we need to wait a couple of days here to really understand the future of all these coins. Now, because of this crash, but we continue to go up. The thing is, like I said, a lot of people did buy the dip here, so they bought this coin for super cheap. So if we do go all the way back to the all-time high, if the people who bought here go all the way back to the all-time high, basically it's an increase of 178% for them. So seeing that is pretty much amazing. The people who bought the dip are going to be able to, if we just go back to all-time high, increase by 177%. So this is really good move from them if we do make a reversal here. So if a big reversal does happen, amazing things are going to happen here to Decentraland, well, the whole market, because what just happened here, we just prolonged the bull run if we don't exit right now. So if we don't exit the next couple of days, then we're just going to prolong the bull run for at least a month here, because it's going to take some time for us to go up again. So we're not going to see like a massive increase here happening in like tomorrow or even a week here. What's probably going to happen is that we're going to see consolidation, so stabilization here for both mana and for all the tokens here. So stabilization here until we find out all the information on what's been happening to the market, and then steadily we should be able to continue to go up again. So that is the possibility here for these tokens. Now, of course, like I said, if you do break down below these levels right now, so 2.12 or something like that, then yeah, we're going to continue to crash, and the price of these coins will continue to go down even more. Not only for mana here, but the whole crypto market. So do remember that we have some really big support levels right now, and that we're still okay, but we need to find out what's going to happen in the next couple of days. We just need more info. So what I recommend you guys to do is just try to find as much info as you can. Do your own research here to find out what's been happening here for the next couple of days here. So do your own research. I'm going to do my research here. I want to check out everything that's been happening, all the major setbacks. Of course, Ethereum here, massive crash here. Ethereum to go all the way down to 3,500 here. So all the tokens going down. This is not because Decentraland did something bad. It's because the whole crypto market is going down. So it's not their fault. It's the whole crypto market that's going down, which is really good, because that means it could be able to make a huge price reversal, because it's not their fault if the whole crypto market makes a reversal. So it's okay. We're still in an okay level. You can buy all these tokens for a lot cheaper than before, which is really good. And like I said, a lot of people did buy the dip mostly for this coin, for these coins here. So do remember that. But yeah guys, in the end, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to invest into these coins, please do your own research first. If you did enjoy this video, it means so much to me if you can like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.